Hello everyone, I wanted to give you an update on the new all aluminum motor casing. I got to do some finishing work and whatnot to it, get everything just right. Definitely going to have to redesign a whole new nozzle so it can fit better. Going to need to get 3 bolts in there, and then of course after I cut it I'm going to need to put a cap in there with the powder charge. But this should be about a really tall 1-grain motor, and I just wanted to put it next to an Aerotech 38mm for comparison. So yeah, so once I get this all cleaned up and I got the new rocket sled test dyno ready to go, then we'll be test firing it. So just a little update.